Today we're going to replace the armrest lid on this 2010 Honda Accord. Alright, just made a video of how to remove the old one, and here is the new one. Alright, simply what we're going to do is go ahead and slide it into place, just like so. Just make sure it's all in there, in all four corners. Let's go ahead and open this up. There's going to be a total of 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's go ahead and put all these screws in there using a Phillips screwdriver that I have right here. We're going to go ahead and tie all these down. Alright, and once you have all the screws into place, you're set. There it is. Nice and secured. It ain't going anywhere. And there it is. All the screws are in their place where they need to go. Sweet. And that is how you replace that center lid console on this 2010 Honda Accord. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.